What is the mass in grams of 3.80 moles of carbon? So we are looking for the mass in grams given the moles of an element, carbon. If you see a problem like this, the first thing that you need to ask is what is the molar mass of carbon? Now, to get the molar mass of carbon, you need the periodic table. Okay, it is the number below the chemical symbol. So the molar mass of carbon is 12.011 grams per mole. This means that 1 mole of carbon weighs 12.011 grams. Now let's make it simple. So 1 mole is 12.011 grams. When you have 2 moles, you need to multiply it by 2 to get the number of grams. Okay, so 12.011 grams times 2 will give us 24.022 grams. But we don't have a mole or 2 moles. What we have is 3.80 moles. So basically, you just have to multiply 3.80 by 12.011 grams. It is a simple multiplication problem. 12.011 times 3.80 will give us 45.6 grams. Take note of the significant figure. So we have three significant figures. Our answer is 45.6.
My God! Y'all!
So basically, after you get the molar mass, the second step is to use the formula. So again, when you're given a mole to gram problem, you have to multiply the moles by the molar mass in grams per mole. Now let's make it more scientific. We are going to use the conversion factor. The first step in using conversion factor is to make a T table, or sometimes it's a sword. So in this sword, you have to put the given, in this case 3.80 moles of carbon, to the upper left of the table. And then, since we're looking for the mass in grams, we have to put this to the upper right of the table. A conversion factor has a top and a bottom.
Sir.
Now we're going to use the molar mass. So again, the molar mass of carbon is 12.011. So we put 12.011 to the upper right. This will give us mole in the bottom right. So look how they will cancel out. Now, multiplying these two, we will get 45.641 grams of carbon. Following the significant figures, we will have 45.6 grams of carbon. How many moles are present in 253 grams of ammonium? In this problem, we are given the mass. Now we are looking for the number of moles. Again, just follow the first step. What is the molar mass of ammonium? To get the molar mass, use the periodic table. Nitrogen has 14.007, and since you have one atom of nitrogen, just multiply it to 14.007. This will give us 14.007 grams per mole. Now, for hydrogen, you have 1.008, and you have 3 atoms of hydrogen. This will give us 3 times 1.008. The answer will be 3.024 grams per mole. Now, you get the sum of these two. This will give us 17.031 grams per mole. So the molar mass of ammonium is 17.031 grams per mole. This means that 1 mole of ammonium weighs 17.031. We can say that 17.031 grams is equal to 1 mole. But we don't have 17.031. What we have is 253 grams. So what we need to do is to divide 253 grams by 17.031. This will give us around 14.86 moles. So it's a simple division problem. With that, when you are given a gram to mole problem, you just have to divide the grams by the molar mass in moles over gram. Now let's use the conversion factor. Draw the T table or the sword. Put the given to the upper left. Then we need to put what is being asked to the upper right. So we want the moles. So the moles will be in the upper right. Then the grams in the bottom. This is from the molar mass of the compound ammonium. Look how the units cancel. This will give us 14.85526 moles of ammonium. Since we are given 253.0 grams, which has four significant numbers, our answer should be 14.86 moles of ammonium.
A profound silence has entered the chat.
So to summarize, When we're given a mass to mole problem, you just have to multiply the mass to the molar mass in 1 mole over gram. On the other hand, if you are given a mole to mass problem, you have to multiply the mole to the molar mass in grams over mole.
Wendy's, is that you?
Simsalabim!